Hello, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We are here in Old Town Alexandria area. And it's actually really hard to talk in here because the smell is just overwhelming. We're going to be doing a carpet cleaning in this basement here. As you can see, pretty bad stain in here. So we're going to pre-vacuum very thoroughly. And then we will get our probiotic in here. Let it sit for a while, and then we're going to be using the rotovac on this particular job. We're not charging additional for that. Everything is the only thing that we charge additional for are for the pet stains here, because we're going to have to use more of the probiotics. We're going to slide the bed back and forth. Traditionally, we don't move furniture, but in this case, I told her I would recommend doing that, and we got some sliders underneath that. So as you can see, we're working with some really bad stain in here. So just bear with me, and I'll give you guys the after. As you can see, the vacuum cleaner is empty. We're gonna do a thorough vacuum, see what all we pick up. All right, so we're finished with the vacuuming, and looks a little bit better. But we're now going to do the probiotic carpet cleaning and take care of these stains here and the odor. Should come out looking really good. For situations like this, I really don't try to guarantee anything. I already told them as a disclaimer, they should probably change the carpet, but that's obviously not in their budget, which is quite understandable. So we're going to do the next best thing, not just carpet cleaning, because that would not be the next best thing. Probiotic carpet cleaning. This is where it's at. It's a new way of cleaning. It's beyond any type of clean that you've ever experienced. Very non-toxic. And it's chemical free. You're going to love it. All right, let's check this stuff out. All right, guys, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. As you can see, we are all done over here in Alexandria, Virginia. Carpets look phenomenal. I'm sure she's going to be really happy with the results. Here's this area. I don't know if you guys remember, but there were some pet stains there. We were able to improve that. Well, not even improve, get it out completely. We didn't do the stairs, but here goes this space here. We moved the bed from side to side and everything like that. Oh my gosh, it smells so much better in here. Whew, she's gonna be so happy. Let's get her down here. Yeah, you ready? Let me know what you think. It smells so much better, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wow.
What do you think?
Looks great.
Did you think it was gonna turn out like this?
No.
No? Come look over here. This was probably the worst part.
Wow, yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
Like a whole different carpet, night and day, right? So you say it smells better, right? But you don't smell no like deodorizer or like toxic anything, right? It just smells cleaner in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a testament to our probiotics. So now that you know we use probiotics, do you believe in it?
Sure.
Sure, yeah. I mean, it definitely looks.
Smell it from up the stairs. So
Wow,
that's good.
wow, that's so amazing. So yeah, man. I mean, I hope you're happy. We got rid of all the urine stains. I mean, it was pretty bad in here. So, yeah.
Wow.
You are impressed, I could tell.
I'm really impressed. I'm kind of speechless.
It's kind of speechless. Yeah, I love it. All right, this Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners just finished out here in Alexandria. Customer says she's speechless. The carpet were, I think before I started, I told you we needed to replace it. So from what it looks like before till now, night and day. Would you agree?
Most definitely.
All right, thank you.